Hey everybody, I know it's been a long time since I uploaded. It was only my face reveal trying to beat the FNAF. I don't know if I said it in the video, but it was because I lost my mask, but not my sunglasses. It's been a long time since I uploaded, and I'm gonna try to do it better. Upload maybe 3 videos a week, to at least more than one, 3 or 2. It just matters how busy I am. But I've been really busy on other things, but probably gonna upload not on this week, maybe next week, because I'm working on a big project. I'm working on a better drawing of my PNG character with a better drawing, better animation, like how he's drawn. There is a person helping me, but it doesn't matter who it is. And he is really good at drawing. He's drawn the characters for me. And yeah, that's all. I will upload with him, also with a face reveal. I don't know what game I'm gonna play. I want to finish the FNAF so we can go all the way to Security Breach, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna play next. But yeah, I'm really busy working on my project with a better drawing on my PNG YouTuber. So I just want to keep you updated. I'll probably write something or come with another short, but the screen is only gonna be black. I'm not gonna show my face right now, so you just have, it's just a video to listen to. I've been busy on other things in my life, like things that just doesn't matter really. And now I'm working back on my YouTube channel with with my PNG characters, and I'm gonna use them more in the videos. Sometime maybe with my face, without a mask and everything. You maybe hear some sound in the background. I'm in that other room, but just wanna let you all guys know where I have been. Thank you.